today's program. Thank you for joining us. I'm Kim Yeon-jung, signing off. Thanks for tuning in to KBS World Radio. We're Korea's flagship international broadcaster, and we also broadcast 2 hours a day for various media outlets, including shortwave radio, satellite radio, and the internet. Visit world.kbs.co.kr, scroll down to the center right side of our main page, and you can stream all of our content by clicking on the various links, like English Broadcast 24-hour, Channel 1, Channel 2, and music. Visit www.facebook.com/EnglishKBS or follow us on Twitter at KBS World Radio. Email addresses are english@kbs.co.kr and kpop@kbs.co.kr. Thanks for tuning in.